It's easy to get access to the backlight, just 2 screws, and it looks like this is broken. Sorry, at least one of them. And the front lights doesn't seem to work either. And I just measured them and with the resistance ohmmeter and couldn't get it to conduct. So unless this is something special and not a normal bulb, then both of these might need replacing. Looks worn. So how can so many things be wrong with a moped? Both of these are toast. Just checked them, and the backlight was toast, and the fuel meter was broken, didn't work, and the speedometer didn't work. It didn't start. The back wheel is wobbling a bit. I'll check that out next. Yeah, it's a lot of work on this bike. It has gotten no maintenance whatsoever. So the front lights, both of them are 12 volt, 35 watt. And the backlight is a combined braking and normal backlight, so it's 21 focus. You have to take my word, 21 5 watt. So it's the 5 watt is always on, it's a normal backlight. So also check these, and they were okay. So let's see if we can get some focus. No. So it's a 5 watt, 12 volt E13. You just pull them out. It's like rubber. So let's check the dashboard light. The dashboard light seems to be working, I believe. There's one there, and then yeah. Yeah. And that light didn't work, but the lamp is not there, so maybe that is it. The clock, maybe I can replay. I think this is a separate battery. This is the dashboard. I don't see the watt, but it's probably around 2, 3 or 4 watts, something like that. Not so bright. No, it was not broken. I wonder if I can remove these 3 bolts and get access to the battery for the clock. Well, no, I can't get it off. It's stuck here somehow, glued, or I don't wanna push too much, so I'll leave it. I don't need the clock. I have it in the mobile. So maybe I buy a couple of these and replace them, since they light pretty much. Okay. Time to take my trusty TSDZ2 small electric engine and go home again. It's pretty fun, this little ride. So back home again, and these are the bulbs I bought. Okay, I got it. We got here and here. Those small pigs go. Try to get that piece first and then, yeah, press and turn. No, well, I pushed too hard, just a little bit, and then to the right, and just a small piece, and now it's in order and it works. Yeah.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind
This is the image now.
break out, I've got to see.
Now turn on. Yeah, it's a bit higher, so it must be correct. But it's, yeah, so it's correct. But it's bad. Yeah. Better like that. So I got this for free. Now it's working. That's a nice bargain, right? Doesn't look even in the back there. But it's working. So mission accomplished. Okay, that's it.